Do you need brother to help you open the bag? Okay. Oh, yeah, it's your birthday presents. What is that? What is it? Turn it over. Oh, it's a movie. A T-Rex movie. Whoa. You like that? Okay, next one. That's all. Now open your next one. The big one? Go ahead.
Hey, Liam. Liam, look at me and smile. Liam, say cheese.
Oh, good one. Okay, brother, I'll help you start tearing it, Christian, so he knows. Here, Liam, tear it. Tear it open. Ooh. Oh. Oh, what is it? Okay, but what about the present?
You have to do each piece.
Oh. Good job.
Okay.
At this rate, we'll be here all night. Liam, what is that? What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh! Look at that! But Liam, what is the present? What is that? What is it in there? You finally unwrapped it. Good job, bud. Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah. It's a sit and spin. Liam, don't forget this present right here. You can open that one too. Pull the paper out. Oh, what is it? Oh, monkey. You need help? Okay. Christian, I think you have to cut the back thing off. No, you gotta cut it. There's scissors in the middle drawer over there. Max, stop it. Christian, stop. You need to go cut that thing.
I'm going to cut it.
Yes, you do.
With this.
No, go cut it. All your presents, Liam. Yay!